Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to set up FuboTV on your Xbox or PlayStation in 3 simple steps. We'll cover installation, the two-device activation method, and how to fix common login issues. Step 1. Install the app. On Xbox, head to the Microsoft Store. On PlayStation, check the PS Store. Search for Fubo and hit install. Searching for Fubo in the store is the quickest way to get started. Just hit install and you're halfway there. Step 2. Launch the app and select Sign In. Choose Sign In with a code to get your unique 6-digit alphanumeric code on the TV screen. This code is time sensitive, so keep it visible while you grab your phone or laptop for the final step. Step 3. On your phone or laptop, go to fubo.tv/connect. Sign in, enter the code from your TV, and hit submit. Your console will auto-refresh, granting you instant access to over 200 live channels. Quick fix. If the code fails, remember it expires in 5 minutes. Just refresh the sign-in screen to get a new one. Also, ensure your console is on your primary home network to avoid device limit errors. That's it. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I'm your instructor. See you in the next one.